I'm not lying. This is my first time. I really want to experience what happens. What is all the fuss about?
All right, Sonali, are you ready for this?
Yes.
All right.
Okay, I have seen the videos. I know there's going to be those clack, clack, clack kind of sound. Wow.
What's up? Nice.
Oh.
Whoa. Did you feel that?
To be very honest with you, I'm little worried.
Is that painful?
No.
Wonderful. Look at that big smile. That's great.
Yes, I am nervous. A little bit. This is the first time.
Did you feel that?
Yeah. Oh wow.
That's basically your first chiropractic adjustment. Nice work.
But I'm really hoping this is going to change my life.
One more. Wonderful.
I really want to feel lighter.
That's it.
I'm just feeling lighter and be able to perform much better.
Great. Again.
I could not even do this. This was slightly an issue. In fact, I would ask him to scratch my back. It seems like it's doing wonders.
This is better than massage.
That's Sonali Swami's first adjustment.
I'm wondering why I will
Wait,
roll this off.
there's a roll though.
Okay.
Okay. When you're getting up,
So I turn over.
all the way to your shoulder, lay on your shoulder. Yeah. Now get up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Safer for your spine.
Yes. Listen to the professional, please.
I really want to dance, frankly speaking. I don't have the stiffness in the I feel like a free bird. I mean, I was a little scared initially and a little nervous. This is easy peasy. And I'm wondering why the hell didn't I try it earlier? I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Definitely.
Last one. Good job. Are you okay?
That was fun.